Competition rules of National Hunting Salburun. General regulations. Salburun, complex hunting games of the Kyrgyz people with hunting birds and ducks. Бүркіт салу. Бүркіт салу, hunting with golden eagles. Composition of the team, 4 people, 1 team leader and 3 berkutchi, the hunter with golden eagles. According to the rules of the Salburun game competition, is held as follows. Participants test their eagles in the following 2 exercises, Chirga and Ündük. Requirements for participants on Бүркіт салу. Each participant must perform in national clothes of his/her own country. Each participant must have a passport for birds of prey and the International Veterinary Certificate of Vaccination of Birds of Prey, as well as a certificate from the International Veterinary Organization CITES. Chirga. Here, every berkutchi, the hunter with a golden eagle, launches his golden eagle to the direction of moulash, made from the skins of foxes, which a rider galloping pulls behind himself. According to the requirements, the golden eagle has to reach to the moulash, moving at an average speed, and seize it. Time and speed of flight of a bird is evaluated. By means of this exercise, the level of training of a golden eagle is defined. Berkutchi scores a point. According to the rules, a hunter can launch his golden eagle only once. Ündük. In this competition, a golden eagle is set down at a distance of 200 meters. At the judge signal, the hunter begins to holler his golden eagle, holding in hand bait. Here is evaluated time of an arrival of a golden eagle to a berkutchi's hand. Each participant is allowed to holder his golden eagle 1 time, standing on the ground or on horseback. Dalba oynatу. Dalba oynatу, falcon flying to the lure. Composition of the team, 4 people, 1 team leader and 3 kuşçu, falconer. In this type of competition is estimated the flight speed of a falcon by means of starting to the lure. Each kuşçu, falconer, is given 3 minutes to test his falcon. During this time, the bird has to fly up and from air to imitate attack on lure which falconer is twisting on a rope. The lure is made of the feathers of a partridge, pheasant, and pigeon taken from the tail and wings. It resembles a bird or pigeon. According to the rules, the judges note how many times the falcon flew in and imitated attack on the lure. The winner is determined by the greatest number of points. Requirements for the participants on Dalba oynatу. Each participant must perform in national clothes of his/her country. Each participant must have a passport for birds of prey and the International Veterinary Certificate of Vaccination of Birds of Prey, as well as a certificate from CITES. Taygan жарыш. Taygan жарыш, dog racing among breeds of greyhound. Composition of the team, 4 people, 1 team leader and 3 dog owners. Dog's agility is determined by the speed of its running at a distance of 350 meters. Dogs chase the model made from a fox or hare skin. With it the rider rides at speed of 60-65 kilometers per hour, or the model is pulled by the special mechanism. Judges evaluate the time in which the dog finished first. After the judge signal, each time simultaneously releases 3 dogs. Among each breed of greyhounds, individual races are held. At competition of dog race, they are carried out initial, semi-final and final running, in which agility of a dogs is definite. If during the race dogs will interfere with each other, or one dog tries to beat another, so this dog is out of the race, and the dog which is prevented is allowed to participate in the rematch. In this type of competition, here the time of running of the fastest breed of greyhound dogs is noted. Only one breed of dogs or dogs of one country can have all prize winning place if they show the best result in all running. Requirements for participants on Taygan жарыш. Each participant has to perform in national clothes of his country. Each participant has passport on a dog in the International Veterinary Certificate on vaccination of a dog. Visiting teams can rent pets, a golden eagle, a falcon, a taigan, in advance with the Federation of Salburun of the Kyrgyz Republic.